Hello and welcome to 100 Days of Automation. So today is day 1 and we are going to create an ebook of movies which are playing this week in theaters. It will be auto-generated every week and sent to our inbox. And this is how the output looks like. Let's get started. So our automation has 6 steps and we use Craftar for creating APIs and Airtable for running scheduling and storing our data. So first we'll look at step 1 and step 2. So we'll get the movies playing in theaters using Craftar. So we have an API here, get latest movies playing now. And when I go to the API in Craftar, this is how it looks like. And before I play, we can look at how our Airtable looks like. We have name, overview, rating, image, and PDF. So when we click on play, we'll fill these 4 columns. So I'll just click on play. We can see the data flowing. And now we'll add records to Airtable. Awesome. So now if we go back to Airtable, all of our records and movies are here. So now we look at step 3, generating the actual PDFs. So whenever a new record is added in Airtable, this trigger is fired in Airtable and it runs a script. So this script runs an API PDF generation in Craftar, which looks like this. So this API for each of the rows will generate a PDF. And then we add this PDF back to our table. So this is how it looks like. So now we can see that the PDFs have started generating and our API in Craftar which generates PDF is getting called for each record. Nice. So now we can look at a couple of PDFs to see what output we got. So we look at DC League of Super Pets. Great. And we can also look at another one. In step 5, we call the API in Craftar called merge PDFs. So this API gets the data from Airtable records, gets all of the PDFs, merges them, and then sends out an email with the merged PDF. So let's see this in action. In Airtable, I'll just run this test action to simulate the scheduling. So once I run this, what will happen is I'll get an email with a combined ebook. Now, as you can see, I've received the email with the PDF attached. So if I click on this and open my ebook, so now I have a weekly digest of my movies which are playing in theaters right now. I can see the name of the movie, the rating, and the description. And that's the end of the automation, but there's one more step. In step 6, we do a cleanup so that we can run the automation again next week. And we also set up the trigger so that we don't have to come back and do anything manually. We'll just repeat it. So let's see how that works. So now we have created a feedback loop where whenever the step 6 runs, it deletes all the data and then repeats step 1 automatically. We get movies playing in theater, add them to Airtable. As soon as we add, for each record, a PDF is generated, and then every Friday, an ebook is generated from those PDFs and sent to us via email. And then every Sunday, we clean the data and repeat the process again. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.